Welcome to the channel DEVANT, and this video is the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro unboxing. Well, let's move on. This phone is a mid-range Android phone from Samsung, having the AMOLED display. Front and the back is of about 13 megapixel, supported Samsung Pay. Well, talking about this cores, it's having 8 cores, 64-bit processor. The battery is of about 3.6 ampere. Well, 3 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM, and 13 I already said. Well, full HD is AMOLED, that is Super AMOLED. Well, everything is fine, and let's unbox. Before unboxing this product, let's see the sponsor. Today's sponsor of this video is Selvam Mobiles near Sathankullam, and if you want to buy this phone, just give the promo code of SAMJ7pro to get reduction in their price. And also I provide the details of the place which I bought this phone in the description box. Go and check that in the box, and if you want to buy this phone in one good day, call the number and they will get the delivery up to free to your home. Well, that's why no need of any danger weapons. Well, here's the device. Let's keep it aside, and the paperworks are here for the newbies and not for us. There is a SIM ejecting tool. Okay, it's nope. And here's a data syncing cable for charging, and it's a micro USB to USB cable, normal one. Here's the SIM ejecting tool, micro or nano SIM, let's see. And here is the power brick, a normal one for the Samsung mobiles. Let's see how much its internals, having the 5-volt output of 1.55 ampere. Yeah, it's really for this massive. Well, having some mobile phone calls interruption, sorry. And here is the earpiece, the standard one with microphone. So it seems the phone having 3.5 mm jack for plugging this one. Okay, let's keep aside and come to the device now. Okay, how J7 Pro, yes, come on baby. Yes, oh, by the time of unwrapping, it's booted up. And well, 5.5-inch display with a 13 megapixel front facing camera and couple of sensors and the speakers for calls. On the bottom you have this physical button and the recents. Back on the side we have power and the speaker grill. Well, on the right side you have volume rocker. The top you have nothing except the antenna bands. The bottom you have the micro USB port for charging, data syncing, and having the mic, and also having 3.5 mm jack. The left we have SIM slots and the memory card slots. Okay, it's time for the booting. Okay, time to check the inside of this phone. Well, this is for memory card, I think so. What is this? One SIM, maybe. And wow, nice. So in this phone you can put one main SIM and another one secondary. This secondary can hold the memory card slot, so you can use this one on the same time. So very much good. I think I really like this. Okay, now we don't have any SIM cards to move on, so I put this as empty. So let's get inside. By the time of its actual install setting is going on, let's see what else inside this phone. It's working on the LTE version, so no problem for the Geo. And front glass, back aluminum, AMOLED display of 1080p resolution, 16:9, non-real world lithium ion, 3600 milliampere battery, running on 7.0 Nougat version, and the chipset is Exynos processor, well, 1.6 gigahertz speed, and Mali GPU. Then back and front is 13 megapixel, maximum is 1080p recording, having Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and every each of the sensors in all the phones having. Also, this phone have, well, NFC is great one, and USB OTG support is also in this phone. Let's see this first boot settings finish and move on. Do that now. Here, wow, nice swipe gestures. Let's check now. Well, okay, so expanding notification bar, you just move this one. Well, let's check the fingerprint readers, how much fast it's going to. Double tap here to learn how to use. Next. Okay. Okay, yes, wait. 3 2 1. Wow, the fingerprint is quite a little bit fast responsive. Yes. 3 2. Well, the display is in on. Okay, yes, it's a response view. Well, where's the camera? The camera application. Well, this keyboard is similar to all the Samsung phones. Normal Samsung keyboard, quite responsive. Let's check this 13 megapixel shooter. The shutter speed is quite responsive. Okay, and also flip the phone. Yes, the front facing camera is also the 13 megapixel. Brightness also changing a little bit. Having the social apps that you can take pictures and share them via social apps like Facebook, Instagram, or similar to that. So it's very easy to move on. And comparing this camera to Nokia 8s, it seems very much good, but the focusing is little bit slower, and also having a full brightness seems to be a good phone like Nokia, but the dual camera option in Nokia gives better picture than the Samsung. Well, it's not a camera comparison video, so let's make this phone aside and let's check what else inside. Here everything is similar. Well, floating camera button. Whoa, when the camera boots up, the brightness also comes to its maximum, so that's why it goes to be full bright. I think there is no auto brightness, so you need to adjust your brightness. Okay, use the double tap. No. Wow, quick launch is enabled, so you can also launch your phone's camera by double tapping the center button. That is home button. Yes, okay. Well, that's all about this video, guys. Unboxing of the Galaxy J7pro. Once again, I remember our sponsor of this video, Selvam Mobiles. And if you want this mobile, just go and purchase of about a reasonable price by entering the promo code of SAMJ7. Well, if you like this video, give a like, thumbs up, and share, subscribe. Enjoy.